Hi, this is Dr. Craig Lowe. We're doing another video. This time it's on aerobic walking programs that work. Walking works. It's an excellent cardiovascular exercise that will bring down blood pressure, reduce anxiety, allow you to sleep better, increase and improve longevity. All you got to do is put a pair of shoes on, hopefully with orthotics, that will maximize your ability to walk with good efficiency. And start with 20 minutes and gradually increase to get to your desired goal at about 5, maybe 4 or 5 miles a week. Comfort footwear or ergonomic footwear is highly recommended. This is technology footwear along with the use of medical grade foot orthotics that will control load bearing in the extremities. And they're very efficacious and highly recommended for people that want to get onto walking programs. You can get those from us at digitalorthotics.com. We also have a selfie program where you can actually take a picture of your arch, and we use optical software to compute where we think where the neutral position of the foot needs to be, and then we make a pair of orthotics, all done from your cell phone, really simple and easy. And you get to buy them at wholesale, and they're very, very effective. The whole concept of orthotics is underestimated as to what their value is, because they simply improve your ability to walk better. And the benefits of walking are incredible. Losing weight, increasing cardiovascular physiology, improving lung volume, reducing blood pressure, reducing stress and anxiety. And all of this simply by putting shoes on and going for a walk. Take your cup of coffee, go out, walk in the neighborhood, and enjoy God's creation.